Hey everybody, it's Brad Killgore here with America's Best Shops. I always try to give as much value on these short little video clips, and I think this one will be really cool, and I think it can help you in a big way. A lot of people may already know about this, but I would still say the masses really don't, or maybe even don't know how it functions. So what I'm going to talk about today is how you can save time and really make this a shortcut for anybody in your shop as far as being able to decipher information very quickly using something called Gemini. So Gemini is baked right into Google Chrome now, and the majority of people use Google Chrome browser as far as when they're on the internet, right? So with that being said, I'm just going to jump right in as what this does. Let me get my screen share going here. I'm going to do the entire screen so you'll be able to see exactly what this does. It's kind of large on my screen, but let's just take a look here and I'll show you what it does. So let's get out of that. All right. So when we're looking at any sort of web page, doesn't really matter what web page you're on. You could be logged into a membership site or a software that you pay for. You could be in any site now when you're in Google Chrome. In this case, we're just looking at the Kia warranty page, but there's a little button up here now that says Gemini. And if you, for some reason, this does not show up in your browser yet, you want to make sure you have the latest version of Chrome. So if you just go to help about Google Chrome, looks like it's already a newer version than what I had yesterday. So all it's doing is it's updating Chrome to the latest version, right? Just takes a quick minute. So it's at 28%. So we'll let this update real quick. So I'll give it just a second here, and then it will just refresh my browser with the latest and greatest. Because sometimes if you don't have automatic updates, different things set up in your browser, it may or may not be the latest version. So I'm just going to hit relaunch, back to share, back to Kia. All right. So now when we're in here, go back to our Gemini button here. What it's doing is giving us, this is past information, right? But it knows the current tab that I'm browsing in. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of tabs open, but I can tell that it's the Kia tab right there. It knows, got a blue box around what I'm browsing here, right? So let's see. Let's just say if I go to 2022 warranty, this particular document, because you can open PDF documents in Chrome, has 115 pages. So just for fun, I know I could probably click and find that, but just for fun, I'm going to ask it, tell me, and I'm just going to say replacement parts and accessories limited warranty and say go, right? What this will do, and I can make it bigger if I want. What it's doing now is it's telling me about the 2022 Kia warranty manual, give me a summary, right? Let's just say that of all this information that it gave me, I want to know more specifically about batteries and the 36,000 mile limit warranty. I can just click it, right? Now it's taking me, I can easily just move my Gemini box out of the way. But now it's telling me more information about battery warranty, what have you. So it literally will give me details and links about what I was asking for, right? Let's say I want to do a different one and I want to go into one about OSHA requirements, right? Now I'm doing these on PDFs, but it could be on a website too. So I got this um, when I did a search for OSHA Auto Repair Shops California. Like I can literally go into a website, right? And I can go to the website and ask it more information about this particular service, right? I could say, knows that I'm in a new tab. Then it's on my current tab. Say, doesn't matter about capitalization, doesn't matter if I made a typo. It pretty much will know. But I'm just going to see if this one will work. So I'm going to say go. I'm on the OSHA website. So it's going to analyze the website and see what it can pull out. Okay. So it's pulled out some information here. This is more what I'm looking for auto shops, right? Requirements for business, auto shops. It's telling me information. It's also telling me here that if I want to go to this rigorous standards, what have you, I can again click on the link that it provides me. It now takes me to a document um, that I would have had probably a lot harder time finding, and it takes it right there, right? So with all of that, I'm going to stop share. Um, there are many different ways that you can use the Gemini extension or whatever you want to call it now. It's baked right in. There's other AI browsers that can do a lot of things too, but I think this one really can help so many people because they already use Google Chrome. They probably didn't even know what that little Gemini button did, but that's just one small piece of what it's capable of doing. It can do a lot more. So hopefully this little tip was helpful, and we'll catch you on the next one. Brad Killgore, America's Best Shop, signing off.